You can see that Prabodhananda Saraswati, he lived in Vrindavan for 20, 30 years. He wrote this book in Vrindavan, and he wrote another book in Vrindavan, Vrindavan Mahimamritam. And these books are the byproducts of his bhav and his prem, his experiences, direct experiences of Radha and Krishna. So you can see in this verse, he's simply, basically this verse is simply saying, Radha, 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 Radha. He's saying, Radha Karavicha Palava Balarike, Radha Patanka Vilasan, Radha Yasho. Radha, like you have some examination, you take an examination. Fantastic means, and then there's 4 selections, A, B, C, D. The word fantastic means, then amazing, or whatever, then there's A, B, C selection. So Radha is, and then you fill in the blanks. Thousands of, and these rasa janas, these advanced devotees, you just say, I'll give you 2 words. Now you fill it in. Radha is. And then, they'll write whole books. Radha is this, Radha is that, Radha is that. This is the madness of prem, that the Sakhis and Manjaris and everyone in Vrindavan is mad about Radharani. And who's the maddest? Because we're all chanting Radharani because she's Karunamayi. We want her mercy. We want to serve Radharani. And serving Radharani means serving Krishna and serving them together. So automatically Krishna's service is included by chanting Radhe Radhe. But what does Radharani chant? Does Radharani chant Radhe Radhe? No. She chants Krishna, 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 Krishna. Mahaprabhu is Krishna and Radha Bhav. So when he's touring South India, he's everywhere. Krishna, Krishna Kotai, Krishna Kotai. Where is my Krishna? Where is my Prananath? Mera Prananath Kotai. So Radharani is chanting Krishna. We're not chanting Krishna. We're chanting Radhe. Brijvasis are all chanting Radhe Radhe. They will serve Krishna. They do serve Krishna. They do love Krishna. They do read about Krishna. But as far as crying out or calling out, Prabhu, Krishna, Krishna, Jai Krishna. I mean, and these are Brijvasis. I mean, there are also the Vallabhacharya's followers he has many disciples in Vrindavan, and they may greet each other, Jai Sri Krishna. But remember, the first word they say is Radharani, because Shri is Radharani. So they're chanting Yugalnan. They say, Jai Sri Krishna. They may think that they may have the idea or the bhav that they're remembering Gopal Nathji, who is their Ishta Devata of their Sampradaya. Gopal Nathji, who is Purushottam, Leela Purushottam, Sri Krishna. But he's called Sri Gopal Nathji. Jai Sri Krishna.